guys, and welcome to this video. So in this video I am teaching you guys how to make some quick and easy 5-minute Halloween Mickey ears. So if you only have 5 minutes to make a costume for your Halloween party, then this is an idea of something that you can make super quick. So let's get on into it.
Okay guys, so taking out some felt, I'm just going to cut circles out of the felt, 4 circles, and then I'm going to take cardboard and do the exact same thing. And these headbands I got at the dollar store. And then I'm also showing you what else I'm going to use for the other set of ears, which is 2 wood pumpkin things. I don't know really what to call them. I guess they're like pumpkin wood thingies. I don't know. And so with the first set of ears, I'm taking a cardboard, like I said, I'm going to cut out 2 circles, and these are going to be the supports for the ears. So after cutting the circles out of the felt, which is kind of hard to cut felt, you have to have really good scissors. You're just going to hot glue it all together and then hot glue the ears to the headband. And that's it. Then you can decorate it with flowers or gems or whatever you want to spice it up a bit. I really like the way that this one turned out. I think it is so cool looking. I like making my own Mickey ears because you can spice it up any way you want. I'm just giving you some ideas of flowers that you can put on or gems, anything like that. So this other set of Mickey ears, I had the idea to basically make the pumpkins from like the Halloween decor from Disneyland. So you're just going to paint your pumpkins, let them dry a bit, and then you're going to attach them using a lot of hot glue and a lot of felt. If you hear any weird noises in the background, that's my baby. He's learning to make noises and talk. So after you attach those, you can add a flower and decorate them however you want. But I'm just showing you here that this is how I got them to be orange. It takes forever for them to dry, so don't use as much paint as I did, or it'll take years to dry. So just use a little bit of paint. But after that, you just glue them on to your headband using a lot of support and a lot of felt and stuff in the back. So they may not look super pretty in the back, but you can hide it with your hair or something. And then you just decorate them however you want. And I think if you took the time to paint like the black face onto the pumpkin and make it look like the Halloween pumpkin from Disneyland, that would be really cute too. So I did decide to add a flower in between the pumpkins just because it looked just kind of bare with just the pumpkins. But you can pretty much add whatever you want.
I really hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Bye!